So today we're going to go through one of my favourite indicator exercises for snatches. If you don't know what an indicator exercise is, it basically means that when that exercise improves in performance, it indicates that your main competition exercise is going to go up. So I know that if my snatch grip push presses go up, if they get faster, if they get easier, if I use more volume on them, I can hit rep PRs and 1 rep max PRs on them. I know that my vertical jump and my broad jump should start to improve and feel better. I also know that my back squat for some reason starts to feel better. My military press starts to feel better, and most importantly, my snatch feels more stable when the strength goes up on those. So the way you're going to perform the snatch grip push press, I'm going to put a video in now so you can see it. And you're basically going to you're going to work up to a heavy set. This is the way I treat most of my exercises when I'm first introducing them. They're new, and I think they're going to have a big benefit. I do them for max effort first. So the way I've done it is I've done a 5 rep max on week 1, a 3 rep max this week, and then next week I'll do a 1 rep max. And then after that, I'll take a percentage of it, and I'll start working purely just to do it for volume in in bits of hypertrophy phases for technique work and for dynamic effort method work, to basically just to drill that rhythm between my legs, my torso, and my arms. You guys can do the same thing, or you can do something different. As long as you're hitting those max effort weeks for the first couple of weeks to really get in tune with grinding and being able to put a lot of effort into that exercise, you will get more out of it when you start to drop the weight down and go lighter. But yeah, use this exercise. It's so great for building up the shoulders and the back, especially when you include that overhead squat afterwards to teach your body to be stable under fatigue. It also teaches the legs to dip and drive and produce a ton of force over a really short range of motion, because you're only really dipping into like an eighth of a squat. You're literally unlocking your knees and hips and going back up again. So it teaches you how to produce a ton of force through the legs. It's a very quad and glute dominant movement. It's also going to do a ton for your core bracing. So basically making sure you can keep your abs and back tight while you drive the bar overhead. So that's another important one there. So give it a try. If you want to know more tips on it, or you want a bit more of a detailed program on how to perform it, please comment on this video, comment on the Facebook post, comment on the YouTube post, or message me on YouTube or Facebook, and I'll get back to you and I'll try and produce some content for you there. As usual, if you like this video, please like it. If you want to see more, subscribe. And if you think there's someone else who might like this exercise as well, please share the video to them.